Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 283 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the NYX Machinist Eyeshadow Palette, and I got this from Ulta for $12.49. This comes with 12 different shades, and this is the steam version of the palette, so the Steam Machinist Eyeshadow Palette. Wow, this packaging looks so cool. Oh, so it has Machinist on the outside, Steam here on the inside. This is part of my recent Ulta haul. Ooh. Wow, so you get a really nice big mirror, and there are some really glittery shades in here, like this pink shade here looks like pure glitter. Looks like we've got some metallic shades, we have some matte shades, we have this like pure matte white shade, this matte pink rosy shade, then some glitter, some shimmers. This looks like a really pretty palette. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all of them. Okay, so all of these are now swatched, and I'll also insert some pictures so that you can see probably a better view. But every single one of these swatched beautifully. Even these matte shades swatched so pigmented. The glitter shades, they have like that chunky glitter, but still swatched so beautifully. I love that glitter. And then these shimmer shades, like this maroon shimmer shade here has gold shimmer in it, which is different. And then this shade here, it's kind of like a green, kind of like a forest green, but then it also has like some purpley shine to it. So that's like a really pretty unique shade here. You can create endless amounts of amazing unique makeup looks with these shades. Like there is such a cool variety here. So I'm just gonna play around and create whatever comes to mind for a makeup look today. So to start out, to give these eyeshadows a fair chance, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And I do have a video on this. If you wanna see it, I'll link it down below. After seeing how beautifully all of these swatched, I'm very impressed that this only cost me $12.49 plus a 20% off coupon at Ulta. So I feel like that's a really good deal for this beautiful eyeshadow palette. And to apply these eyeshadows, I'm going to be using my brush set here, which I will link the video to this brush set down below. But to set my eyeshadow primer and start out this eye look, I want to just go in with that white shade, that beautiful pure white shade, to be the base shadow, so then I can kind of play around with some other colors on top of it. And I'm so impressed by the amount of pigment in this white shadow. Like it really does show up so beautifully pure white. And I imagine it's hard to find like a beautiful pure white eyeshadow that actually shows up. So this is pretty nice to have in this palette. As well as this large mirror, I really appreciate this. I did get some shadow on my eyelashes, but by just flicking my eyelashes like that, I'm able to get that shadow off. Okay, so now I'm gonna start building up some color. I'm going to take, it's really convenient having all of the swatches on my arm as I'm deciding what color to use. And I could really go in a cool tone direction or a warm tone direction because there's a really nice mix. For some reason today I'm really drawn to that maroon shade with the gold shimmer. So I'm going to take the more warm toned brown shade, which is this one here, and work that into my crease as my transition shade. Really nice pigment immediately as soon as I'm applying this. I really like how this is looking so far. I feel like that's a really pretty transition crease shade that just is blending out so nicely. It's not going on patchy at all. It's very smooth. Okay, so now to work into the outer V and the crease of my eye, I'm going to go in with this beautiful maroon shade here that has that gold shimmer to it. I've never tried out an eyeshadow quite like this, so very excited. So I'm feeling like as I'm applying this to my eye now, I'm not seeing that gold shimmer. It's really just kind of looking like a matte burgundy maroon-like shade. And I'm not having as much success with this shade blending it out. I do feel like it is a little bit patchy, a little bit harder to work with. You know what eyeshadow trick I forgot about that I haven't done in so long but I want to do again is using the tape to create kind of that diagonal line that's great for getting the perfect eyeshadow shape, the perfect winged eyeliner. Wow, I probably haven't used that technique in months, probably even close to a year. Wow, I used to love that trick. I'm gonna have to try that out again. I wish I had done that for this video. All right, so I definitely feel like that maroon shade was kind of hard to work with. But that's okay, I am liking the color. But now, because I'm Christy and I love pink and sparkly, I'm gonna incorporate the glittery pink shade here into the inner part of my eyelid. And I'm just gonna apply this one with my finger. And I will say that it has that grainy texture, so we'll see how it feels on the eye. And even though this does have good pigment, it's nice having that white shade as a base, because I feel like that helps make this color pop. Because this really has beautiful sheen to it. Really catches the light so beautifully. Just keep that transition shade showing. Just blend. So we have more of a gradient effect with the shimmer. And I feel like this shade applies nicely with the finger. So even though this is kind of that chunky glitter type of eyeshadow, it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all on my eye. I really can't feel any of that like grainy texture at all. No surprise that I kind of took this makeup look in a pink direction, but I'm liking these colors. I'm liking this color combination. I'm just gonna finish it off by applying to the lower lash line. I kind of want to use a different shade so that I'm trying out more colors in this video. So I'm going to take this shade here, and this is a shimmery brown shade. And I'm going to use that as my eyeliner lower lash line shade. The shade has that really pretty metallic shimmer to it, so I like that effect on the lower lash line. I feel like that looks really cool. Yay! So this is my finished look for today. I'm really happy with this look. I would say that some eyeshadows ended up looking better on my eyelids than others, but all in all, beautiful shades here. And I really like to do a creasing check when I use eyeshadows because I have a lot of lines in my eyelids and eyeshadows definitely tend to crease. But no issues with creasing with this eyeshadow look right here, so very happy with that. I tend to be a big fan of NYX eyeshadow palettes, and this is just another one that I'm very happy to now have in my collection. I'm gonna be able to have so much fun with this and create so many different makeup looks. If you want to see any other videos of me creating other types of looks with this palette, maybe a cool tone look using one of the other specific eyeshadows, definitely let me know in the comments down below and I would be happy to create a video like that. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.